Welcome to the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you new. Hit that like button. Leave a comment. I don't give a damn what you say in that comment section. I got to build the engagement on this channel. But however, this channel is about Uber, Lyft, Door, blah, blah, blah. Uber done effed up and they know it. If they don't know it, they know it now by people like me informing people like you before you do this shit. Uber done effed up because all the old drivers like me, 4 or 5 years in, we know what the rides used to look like. We know what the bonuses used to look like, streets guarantee. We know what everything used to look like. So when we know what everything used to look like, right? Like for instance, we know what the mileage used to look like. We know what the money versus mileage and all of that. We know what it used to be. So when y'all switch up the algorithm, y'all think that us experienced drivers not gonna know we can not only decline all of these rides, but y'all think that we don't know what the rides used to be? Y'all think that we don't know that rides used to be 2 miles away, 3 miles away, 4 miles away? Y'all did that for years. We know that we can get rides 2, 3, 4 miles away. We know these things. That's why experienced drivers, we decline rides all day long. I just declined 13 rides in a row.
What?
If you haven't did Uber in a long time, don't. If you haven't did Uber, get that extra money in your pocket. Let me explain something to you. It never been that bad where you got to decline 13 rides in a row. Now, me, that's not bad. Me, I'm just like, stupid, but y'all think I'm dumb. Stupid, like to me, it's not. But if you just started driving and don't know that you don't have to do these rides, you're going to be overwhelmed. You're going to feel absolutely ignorant. You're going to feel probably like a little discouraged. You might not even want to do it anymore, to be honest. If I just started Uber today and didn't know what I had to go through in Philadelphia, I didn't know what the rides used to look like, then I'll have the worst experience of my life doing this because I don't know how to maneuver. Now, when you've been doing this for a long time, you already know. Nope, I can get a better one than that. This is the best area too. Nope, the surgeon, nope. Boom, turn it off 3 minutes, turn it back on. Boom. 0 miles away, 13 minutes, $8. Yep, boom. You know what I'm saying? Oh, for real, Uber acting up. DoorDash. Come back in an hour. Oh, Uber acting up, Uber Eats. What Uber Eats got? Hell no. Log right the hell back off Uber Eats. Everybody know Uber Eats is trash. Don't even mention them in the conversation or I'm going to know where your pockets is. But, yeah, man. We experienced drivers know that we can always get a better ride because for years, we done already seen all the better rides. We know what area got the same people, got the same this, got the same mileage. We know clearly, they trying me. Boom, success. And we'll do that until we reach our goal. You feel me? I've been doing that since yesterday. I don't care if I got a $4 to $6 ride it up. 0 miles to the person, 1 mile to the destination. That's more money in it for me when I do those rides. And that's the default. The default is $4, even if you're going 0 miles away. So I'm always catching them rides. And it's always somebody going just around the corner to the store. I will I know the area. I will South Philly it up. I will Center City it up. You know what I'm saying? I will near Xfinity Live it up. And I get all that little bit of money in those little crevices. People can't maneuver around these blocks. They don't know how to drive. But anyway, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the like button. It's your boy, Rideshare Careers. Philly SIG, the host. You could go on that channel and have fun and watch 1,000 videos of random content. Or you can stay here and watch Uber, Lyft, DoorDash. Like, I'm about to start doing DoorDash content, by the way. So, DoorDash 2 now. I did one DoorDash video, and I've been claiming DoorDash ever since. But anyway, don't be out here accepting every damn ride. I wish I would. We not dumb. Us experienced drivers know. This is why Uber is probably having a problem. They gotta send us a good ride every like 5 or 6. You feel what I'm saying? Because we know what the good rides already look like. You shouldn't have showed us the game. We already know. No, there's somebody 3 minutes away. I guarantee that. Now 3 minutes away. Like we know these things. But anyway, I don't know if you know these things, but you do now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new now. Holla.